you still hear me in here? That's kind of cool.
This is my first ever Lego set. I've always liked photography, so I wanted it to be the film camera one, but I actually have a bit of a mission that at one point I want to get every one of the botanical series and do all of the plants. It says it's 3 in 1, but if we get to choose which one, then I'm going to do the main one, the film camera, but it's also got like a little TV and a camcorder and then some film. Oh look, they've got a little, the film, that's super sweet. There's 3 booklets, so I actually think that you can choose which one you want to build. Either that or they're all included in the same one, which I don't think is the case. I definitely want to do the film camera one. Okay, you can tell this is my first time doing this. I have a vision of what I want my future office to look like, and it's going to be covered in Legos. So this is the first of many. Okay, I'm about half an hour in and this is what it looks like. It's starting to look a little bit like a film camera, but I think I've got quite a bit to go still. But it's going well and I'm actually really enjoying it.